Here's your first look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 dummies. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with slightly more rounded edges than its predecessor. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is said to measure 163.4 mm tall and 77.9 mm wide. This could be our first look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Looks similar to the new Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy S25 Edge. It was recently revealed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor with a new lens, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 50MP periscope sensor offering 5x optical zoom. The 3x telephoto sensor is also receiving attention, with Samsung reportedly testing a 12MP unit, an upgrade from the S25 Ultra's 10MP. According to Chinese tipster Fixed Focus Digital, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might be equipped with a 200MP Sony CMOS sensor. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature Qualcomm's 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 processor globally. Samsung apparently intends to equip the Galaxy S25 Ultra with 16GB of RAM in all storage variants, which reportedly remain unchanged at 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. The 6.9-inch display with COE technology is expected to be the same size as its predecessor, with only minimal changes to the display bezels. The S26 Ultra is said to employ a 5000 mAh. Samsung will finally adopt 65W wired charging. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy S26 lineup in January 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.